Have you ever noticed your legs feeling a little weaker when climbing the stairs? Or that your grip isn't quite as strong as it used to be? You're not alone. According to the National Institutes of Health, nearly 1 inch, 3 adults, over 60 experience bone loss or muscle decline, a condition known as sarcopenia. And it doesn't happen overnight. It creeps in slowly, one skipped walk, one missed meal at a time. I understand how worrying that can feel. The thought of losing independence, of not being able to move freely, it's scary. But here's the good news. Nature already offers gentle, powerful help right in your kitchen. Today, we'll explore 5 simple foods from the humble almond to the refreshing orange that can help keep your bones strong and your muscles active, naturally. Maybe you've already tried to fix the problem. The calcium pills your doctor suggested, the resistance bands collecting dust in the corner, or those exercise videos that felt a little too hard to follow. I know. My neighbor, Linda, she's 72, told me she tried all those things too. But after a few weeks, she felt more frustrated than ever. The pills upset her stomach, the workouts left her knees aching, and she started to believe that weakness was just a normal part of aging. But it doesn't have to be that way. The real solution doesn't always come in a bottle or a gym membership. Sometimes, it comes from simple, natural foods, the ones your body already knows how to use. In the next few minutes, I'll share with you 5 everyday foods, gentle, nourishing, and proven by science, that can help rebuild strength, protect your bones, and bring back that steady, confident feeling when you move. Because your body still remembers how to be strong, it just needs the right fuel. Before we dive into those 5 powerful foods, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to this channel and tap the little bell icon. That way, you won't miss the simple health tips that help you stay strong, active, and full of energy even after 60. And when you like or comment, you're not just helping yourself, you're helping thousands of other seniors discover these gentle, life-changing habits too. We're building a community here, one that believes growing older can still mean growing stronger. All right, let's begin with the first food, almonds. 1. Oranges and citrus fruits. You might think oranges are just for vitamin C. But here's the surprise. Research from Tufts University found that older adults who regularly eat citrus fruits have stronger grip strength and better balance. That's because vitamin C helps your body form collagen, the protein that keeps bones, joints, and muscles firm and flexible. Imagine your tendons and ligaments as ropes. Vitamin C keeps them from fraying. Try 1 orange a day, or a half glass of fresh orange juice with breakfast. And remember the white part under the peel? That's where the real power is. My neighbor George swears by his morning grapefruit, says it's his sunshine medicine. If you think this one's powerful, wait until you hear about the next food. 2. Soy and soy products, tofu, soy milk, or even roasted soybeans, small foods with big science behind them. A Harvard Health review showed that soy isoflavones mimic estrogen, helping protect bone density after 60, especially in women. These compounds reduce bone breakdown and encourage calcium absorption. Think of them as gentle plant messengers, reminding your bones to stay strong. Add half a cup of tofu to your stir-fry, or enjoy soy milk with oatmeal. My Aunt Betty switched from dairy to soy milk and her joint stiffness eased in just weeks. And if you thought soy was impressive, chia seeds will surprise you even more. 3. Chia seeds, tiny, but mighty. According to a study in the Journal of Nutrition, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 seconds and magnesium, 2 nutrients that calm inflammation and keep bones dense. When soaked, they form a gentle gel that helps the body absorb minerals more efficiently. Try a tablespoon in your morning yogurt or smoothie. I know a 6-8-year-old viewer, Mike, who mixes them into oatmeal every day. He says it's his secret to keeping his hands steady for woodworking. And if you think chia's powerful, wait till you hear about mushrooms. 4. Mushrooms. Mushrooms aren't just tasty, they're one of the few natural foods with vitamin D. Research from Oregon State University found that seniors who eat mushrooms have better calcium absorption and fewer fractures. Grilled, sautéed, or added to soup, just 1/2 cup a day can make a difference. My friend Ellen grows her own in a small kit by the window. She calls them her bone boosters. But our final food might surprise you the most. 5. Almonds crunchy, delicious, and scientifically proven to support muscle repair. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that almonds provide plant protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, all vital for maintaining muscle function. Just a handful, about 1 ounce, daily, helps rebuild fibers after mild activity or exercise. Try them roasted or blended into almond butter on whole grain toast. John, 70, keeps a small jar in his car, says it stops him from grabbing chips. Simple habits, lasting strength. If you found these 5 foods inspiring, just wait. In the next part, we'll talk about how to combine them into a daily routine for stronger bones and lasting energy. And now, the #1 food that surprises almost everyone. It's not milk. It's not supplements. It's something far humbler: mushrooms. Yes, mushrooms. Those simple caps you toss into a soup or salad are quietly one of nature's most powerful protectors for aging bones. Here's the twist. When exposed to sunlight, even just a few hours on your kitchen windowsill, mushrooms naturally create vitamin D2, the same vitamin your skin makes from sunlight. According to Oregon State University, seniors who eat mushrooms regularly have stronger bones and better balance, even without extra supplements. I'll never forget my friend Ellen. She's 74, gentle as can be, and she started growing small trays of mushrooms by her sink. She calls them her sun-grown medicine. After a few months, she said her morning walks felt easier, and her doctor noticed her bone density had improved. So next time you cook, remember, strength doesn't always come from big things. Sometimes it grows quietly, like mushrooms in the light. 10. So, what did we learn today? That sometimes the biggest changes come from the smallest steps. A handful of almonds, a spoon of chia, a few slices of orange, or a bowl of mushrooms, simple foods that quietly rebuild your strength from the inside out. Because when it comes to aging well, it's not about doing everything at once, it's about doing one small thing every day. If this video felt helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, so you'll never miss another gentle tip for living strong after 60. And if you share this video with a friend or loved one, you might just give them the gift of better health too. Thank you for being here. And remember, growing older can still mean growing stronger.